Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Behind me we've got a 2018 Ford Ranger PX2 Wildtrak, and it's in our Brisbane store. Wildtraks are the top of the line editions of the Rangers, and they are as much a family rig as they are a work rig. They're a fantastic off-road and also on the bitumen and for towing. The PX2 Wildtraks are powered by the very popular 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged engine. This one has come to us for a custom dyno tune, and I can't wait to show you the results. Before we carry out the custom dyno tune to all vehicles here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, we give them a pre-tune inspection. This is a vital part to our tuning procedure to ensure the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good, and there are no fluid leaks. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak has passed its inspection and it's now ready for the custom dyno tune. This car is used for a bit of everything. It's used as a business car and a daily driver during the week. And on the weekend, it tows a fishing boat, it gets on the beach, as well as gets off-road for a little bit of fun. It is stock standard except for the bull bar, with no other mods on the outside or under the bonnet. The owner knows that the power output-wise, they are restricted from factory. So he really wants to release its potential for him and improve the down-low turbo lag. We're going to achieve more power and torque all the way through the rev range and really reduce that turbo lag down low with the tune, as well as concentrating on what the vehicle's used for. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running properly with no underlying mechanical issues, and then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimised power and torque is achieved, based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customised tuning process. We've now completed the custom dyno tune on the PX2 Ranger. Let's check it out. When the Ranger presented to us, it had 108 kilowatts of power and 381 Nm of torque at the rear wheels. After completing the custom dyno tune, it went to 142 kilowatts of power and 507 Nm of torque. This represented a 32% gain in peak power and 33% gain in peak torque. So guys, we tune about 6 to 8 of these Ford Rangers 3.2 litres a week across our 3 shops. I thought I'd take the chance to show you a video and the results we get from them. This customer wanted to increase the power and torque of his Ranger, and we've certainly delivered this today with a 33% gain in peak torque. He's also got really nice gains all the way through the rev range, and when he drives out here this afternoon, he's going to notice a massive difference. So guys, if you're looking to improve the performance of your diesel vehicle, this is what we specialise in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. As well as that, we've got dealers all around the country that tune with us as well. So if you're looking to improve your performance, we're the place to come. Remember, subscribe to us on YouTube at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.